Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months. Rasiloma, a life of excess in wealth is considered greed. Metal fruit greed does not bring happiness to the body. People will call you mean and then you will become poor and conquer. There is no greater evil than greed. If you do not eat and do not use it for good deeds, you will suffer a million. The fruit of karma is the wealth earned by hard work, it will not come with you at the time of death. The wealth earned by doing good deeds will be the share of thieves, fire or what you have put in will be lost and you will not be able to find it. Vijay, it removes greed by seeing the evil. As long as there is oil, wealth is always a source of sorrow. As long as there is oil, there is a source of sorrow. As long as there is oil, there is a source of sorrow. The next day, when your virtue is gone, your wealth will go cold like a lamp whose oil has run out. Like a dream, wealth is unstable. Today, the man who has been raised to the peak of wealth will be turned into dust tomorrow and eaten. Whether her husband is a scholar, a wise man, a nobleman, a brave man, or a virtuous woman, he will lack qualities and become too intelligent, making him different from happiness. The reason is that the wise should not trust wealth. Salvation is your own wealth. You should earn it and be happy. Thus, by teaching this, you will get rid of this attachment to wealth and will give up the desire for salvation. He creates. Rudigra, anger wrath Sittu. Rudigra is not ordinary, the one who stands in front of him means the one who has given up anger. There is no one in the world. A demon drinks the blood of others and creates fear in others. He roams at night. Wrath creates fear in himself and others and drinks his own and others' blood. He roams day and night. Because he is crueler than a demon. Vishwamitra got angry and broke his severe penance. Ravana, hearing the words of Shurpana, destroyed everything in anger. He does not look at anyone. Harihara was the first to take refuge in anger. The reason for the birth of anger, stealing one's wealth and property, causing many difficulties to the mind with lies, slander, insults, and harsh words, causing difficulties to the body with acts of torture. Anger overcoming, no matter how much we throw stones with anger, does that pain become a stone without us? Anger. If the fire itself holds fire, it will not only burn itself but also burn others. Anger is the foundation of lowly sins. Anger is like a hanging rope, it will be thrown into hell. Anger is like the saying, if we suffer in any way from others, it will come according to our karma. If we do not calm down and think that others are not the cause of our suffering, but if we turn around and wish them harm, it will happen to us like compound interest. Anger is peace, supreme happiness. From all these, peace is the ultimate way to overcome anger. It is believed that when anger comes, count to 10, but in the meantime, anger will subside to some extent. Even if someone tries to kill us, there is a God who is waiting. No one can do anything without his command. One should be at peace. Forgiveness, silence, and wise people will control anger.